Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can make or how you can add condition into your SQL statement. Okay, first of all let's access to our server -h localhost -u root -b and use what was my database name, example. Alright, now inside the example we have table. Let's see the data inside of our table. Select all the things from our customer table. Customer table. We have these data inside of our customer table. I wanna add condition. What does it mean condition? I just wanna see apple and I just wanna see orange. I don't wanna see banana and mango. How you can make it? Just an easy. I don't wanna see orange, banana and mango. I just wanna see apple. And this needs for condition. How you can make condition? Just like this. Select all the things from customer table with where you can add condition with where. Okay, now let's add our condition. Select all the things from customer table where customer ID only should be 1. Okay, it shows all the things from customer table only match the ID of them equal to 1. Now let's see. It only shows to me apple with customer ID equal to 1 because in our table we only have 1 things that match with our condition and it shows to us. Just an easy way. Now I just want to see banana. How can I make it? Let's see. Select all the things from, or let's see just the customer name. Customer name from customer table where now let's change our condition. Now I want to make country equal, the country should be Germany. Now let's see, it only shows banana because the country of banana is Germany. It only shows one thing, banana. If we see, let's write select customer name from customer table where country equal to USA. Now let's see, it shows apple and mango because the apple country is USA and the mango country is USA. Just an easy. Now I just want to see orange, banana and mango. I don't want to see apple. You can write it like this. Select all the things from customer table where customer ID greater than 1. Now let's see, it doesn't show apple because I add condition that customer ID should greater than 1 and it shows greater, 2 is greater, 3 is greater and 4 is greater than 1. Just an easy. By where you can add condition to your SQL statement. Okay, you can write where, after that your column name and after that your condition. Just an easy.